So this is the first dashboard purchase trend product name wise. So as you can see, black granules. If I filter to black granules, which is like this, and so black granules may be bought in in all the business units. Okay. So here you can see the various styles. Here is the total line cost without taxes, and this is the total cost with taxes. And in this, every single tile represents a single procurement. So in that procurement, and this is the store card number in which this procurement was done, and there may be multiple products in this store card, but because we have filtered for black granules, so this one tile represents one product uh, that is part of that store transaction. Okay. And here is the trend. If you see, in May it was bought at a price of 4850, the quantity was 500, and 49 the quantity was 500 again, and in July 7500 at the rate of 50. So put together, total 8500 for all the business units. The quantity was procured, and the cumulative line cost is 423,750. Now I'll take you to the this. So black granules, basically, if you look at the purchase quantity is 5000 plus 3500. If you look at, this is 8500. Okay. And then from here you can always see that uh, what is a stored quantity, pound quantity, and we've already explained this. Now one more thing, you can clear this all, and you can come over here, and you can filter basis upon uh, the bill date, or you can filter it from here as well, or you can filter if you want to see only uh, grand hangers, and this product which you want to see is black granules. Oh, I selected different product. This is one, and you would be able to see only pertaining to grand hangers. And if you look at 3500, if you go over here, you will see 3500 for grand hanger. So it shows you a trend that how you're purchasing a product, and at what price and what quantity you are purchasing that product. So this was purchase trend product name wise. In the next section we will talk about sales trend product name wise. Okay.